Hello, everyone. Today, I'll guide you through fixing the music haptics not working issue on iPhone running iOS 18. Let's get started. Step 1. Enable music haptics. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Navigate to Accessibility and scroll down to find the option labeled Music Haptics. If it's turned off, toggle it on. Once enabled, you'll see a list of available apps that support music haptics. Tap on this to view compatible apps. If you'd like to test the feature, you can tap Play Sample to feel the haptic feedback. Step 2. Check app compatibility. Currently, Apple Music is the primary app supporting music haptics. If you're using a third-party music app, this feature might not work. For testing, make sure you're using Apple Music. Step 3. Troubleshooting steps. If the issue persists, try the following fixes. 1. Restart your device. Press the volume up button once, then the volume down button. Hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. 2. Update iOS. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. Download and install the latest update to ensure you're running the most current version of iOS. 3. Check media volume. Ensure your media volume isn't muted or set too low. Adjust the volume to a higher level. 4. Reset all settings. If none of the above works, go to Settings, General, Reset all settings. This will restore default settings without deleting your data. After following these steps, the Music Haptics feature should work seamlessly. Thank you for watching. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share for more tips and tricks. See you in the next one.